Welcome to Daddy Jack's Go With The Blues here. So, my friend, a great Italian blues musician, one of the hottest blues players in Italy and in Europe, Roberto Morbioli, he's coming back. When he comes back, he said this is what he wants to do. Is his favorite pasta is, you know, the way he described it is like, we're going to call it chicken caprese. Or maybe we call it pasta Morbioli. But hey, this is Cordo extra virgin olive oil. Same people to make our Alta Cucina. A beautiful family, Stanislaus family out in Modesto, California. They gave this as a little sample. We ordered up a big box of it. A lot of these olive oils these days, you can't trust what they're selling you. So look at this beautiful stuff. You know, we'll take it out the fire because we don't want it too hot. Okay, good amount. I'll put some leeks. And these are Joe Consolini. My friend Joe Consolini walks in Saturday night. Gives me all these beautiful tomatoes. Now that's a friend, you know? Came in out of nowhere. I started a clear blue. Didn't even tell me he was coming. I was sitting out in the dining room. So this is we might even call it Pasta Consolini. He's over there in Ledyard. Really nice family. Aldo, his brother Louis, his brother Louis, a stonemason out there. Taught all those guys over there in Ledyard and Preston. Taught them all about cooking, you know. Not cooking. He taught them all about being a stonemason. So, he made some beautiful pesto for us, a walnut pesto. I'll use a little bit of butter. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of pasta water. Some fresh mozz. A little bit of parm. We're just going to cover it up for about 2 minutes. Be right back. Flavor's good. Good. a lot of olive oil, but you know what? Olive oil's supposed to be good for you. So wait a minute. We're gonna finish this, Glenn. Hey Nova, get a weapon. Go get a weapon. There you go, Glenn. Hold on 1 second, Nova. Just, we'll be right back, Glenn, like 1 minute.
You got it.
Let's do it. So we're going to call this, we're going to call it a Roberto Morbioli special, but this is going to be a Joe Consolini special. The whole Consolini family over there in Ledyard. Come on in, Nova. Look at that. It's all about presentation, you know, like, didn't look like much in the skillet, but you know, go ahead, Nova, it's going to be super hot.
Alrighty. Gotta get the perfectly balanced bite.
Careful. It's all olive oil, just a little bit of butter in it, so it's all good for you. But be careful. Be careful.
Burns my mouth. My love.
That pesto's banging.
Thumbs up.
And the rest of it.
Boy.
It's all yours.
I'll definitely eat that for dinner later. You can save it for me.
It came out nice and light. Not a lot of ingredients. Here's the basil out of the garden, the tomatoes out of the garden. You know, try to eat everything in season is what I'm trying to do. Whatever's super fresh, you know, people bring me zucchini, yellow squash, tomatoes, and shout out to the whole Consolini family. Peace.